Okay, this video goes out to Daz, a mate of mine I've worked with for 17 years or thereabouts, who has now moved on to bigger and better things. Good luck, Daz. Who's going to do me shake and pressing? Shake and press! Welcome back to the channel, guys. Here we go again. Today I am going to be nipping to Lancaster town centre so we can have a quick mooch round there. It's supposed to be Italy Day today, so we're going to nip round, have a look and see what's going on. I set off earlier and it started raining, so I'm having another go. Yeah, it stopped for the time being, so we're going to see. I'm recording in 4K today. Look at this discovery. Go on, I'll let you go. I nearly had him then, Daz. I nearly did him. Shall I do him? Whoa, not hanging about today. Bit of exercise. Some weirdos around. Globe Arena, that's coming new. That's coming down very soon on a video. I cycled there the other day and fired the drone up. There's a bit of aerial footage and a bit of cycling going on there. That'll be out very soon. Have to excuse me for being a bit out of breath. Trying to get to Lancaster as quick as I can. No shout outs today because nobody's bought me a coffee. And this new feature I've got where you can say thanks, nobody's tested it yet. So, bit of a pointless exercise, but it's there. We shall see. What else have I done recently? Search and rescue. The search for my Cessna plane that got lost, Air Force One. Yeah, search for Air Force One. Just going through Westgate at the moment. Like I said, not hanging about this morning. Get it finger out. It's a Lancaster as quick as I can. Got to be a world record to get up here, 7 minutes. Oh, well, that's it. Bloody cars in way. Come on, Mr. Royal Mail. That's it, get a move on. Probably Frank. Is that you, Frank? I bet it is. Now let's get on this cycle path. I'm taking no prisoners today. Out of my way, come on, coming through. There's a lot of bikes going down here, look at this lot. You know what I'm going to do, don't you, Daz? There we go. Finished them. Whole lot. I got time for this.
Sorry.
You're all right? Doggies get priority, don't they? Maybe in a rush. I don't want to wipe a doggy out. You might have noticed a different angle on the, or different size on the camera today. I've gone like a narrow screen because I've gone 4K, so it'll give you a better picture. So I hope you're getting all this. Oh. Into the chicane. That's a turning for McDonald's there, it's gone past. It's not so bad, is it? All sorts going on up here. Oh dear. I'm going to slow down a little bit now because I'm getting tired. I bet this is fastest you've been to Lancaster on a bike, isn't it? Oh, this for me. Jeez. I want to get home for my dinner. Almost there, almost at Lancaster now. Thank you. Cheers, sir. Whew, there's a funny smell around here. Drains. Slowing down a little bit now. I'm a bit tired. Thank you. Oh yeah. I know that dude there. He's seen my videos before. Right, we're in Lancaster, 12 minutes. I couldn't do that in my car. Wow, some going that was. Now it's a good chance to give me a thumbs up. I need one. How knackered. Oh dear. Fastest thing on 2 wheels, skycamvideo. On a mission, get some footage. Yeah, it's supposed to be Italy Day in Lancaster today for about a week. So, been sent by my missus to go and check it out before she can be bothered, and I can be bothered to get in the car and come and have a look and pay for parking. So what a good excuse for a video, eh? But we put 18 quid in parking in Lancaster for 20 minutes. As you do. Right, Lancaster, here we are. Another one I've got to do him. Which way are you going? And I've done him. Well, not bad that, is it? 14 minutes and I'm in Lancaster. Oh. I'll be going back a bit slower, but you won't have to watch that bit, will you? Do you recognise any of these? He's on his phone whilst on his bike. Muppets. Coming through. Thank you. Here we go, across the Millennium Bridge. Slow it down a little bit now, you're going to miss everything. Thank you. Here we go. Oh. We're going behind the station now. The train station. Thank you. Let them lovely ladies move out of my way. We're going to head up here now and get my breath back. Don't forget, I'm nearly 60, you know. I'm pelting along. Oh wow, that's a smashing little bike, isn't it? That's the future of skycamvideo there, recording. He was just checking out his wheels, as you do, keep them rolling. Ha, midges. Midges. Birdie there. Hello, birdie. And a little birdie. There are lots of pigeons about. Right, I better. Train going past up there. Crank it to a really low gear getting up here. Oh, right, going into the lowest gear now. Oh yeah. Pedal, 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 pedal. Pedal, pedal, pedal. We're going up behind the castle now, eventually. And my legs have took this pounding. I'm going to go through the city centre after. Oh dear. Even with power, that's hard work. I wonder if they'll let me in. That'll be what to do.
Bring bikes in, I'm afraid.
Alright, I can't leave it outside. With it being electric, I'll get robbed. Batteries in there, you see, so
okay.
Can't lock it up. Right, no problem.
Alright, sorry about that.
It's alright. It'll stop going forward. Thanks a lot.
Okay.
Oh, we got the answer to that one, didn't we? That'll be a big no. They're boring, aren't they? Would have been nicer to have a ride in there. Right then. Let's go to the town centre. See what's going on at town centre, but it's a bit bumpy. Let's get on pavement. Right, here we go. Let me get in all this. Town centre. Let's see what all this Italian Day is all about. They've got flags up. Not much really. Look at some of these people eating outside. Oh, I don't know what all the hubbub was about, but it don't look any different to a normal Saturday to me. Bella Italia, nice in there. In there a few times.
was in no possession.
It's weird because sometimes
You know what though?
Oh, there's a bit of a market going on. You alright? I won't run you over. Thanks.
Yeah, let's go on and get over here.
On round the centre.
Isn't necessarily, yeah, you can be friends with anybody.
Ever seen a blind man cross the road, trying to reach the other side? Ever seen a young girl growing old, trying to make herself a bride? What becomes of you, my love? Thank you. When they finally pick you up, and
Oh, for anybody who's not been to Lancaster for a while, that's it. I've gone about Italian week, I must have missed it. Or if they class it as Italian week because it's got flags up. That's a quick nip through the town centre. cycle path over there. Right, I'll get over there then. I didn't know there's a cycle path over there. Right, and I'm going to go down through Lancaster. That's quick fit. Quick fit. Right. There you go. Lancaster town centre. It's in. Right, let's get on the cycle path so we don't get wiped out, eh? KFC. Get you next time. Loading only. That's for people. There we go. Oh, that was proper sneaky. Feel like a delivery driver. Oh, there we go. I could get a job as a delivery driver, couldn't I? Keeping up with this work. The only way to get around Lancaster. The Beamer's not very happy behind me. Alright, cycle lane, there we go. There's a car in it. Right, I'm going up here and I'm going back on the cycle path. So there you go, that was Lancaster. What do you think of that? I hope you enjoyed that very quick mooch around Lancaster. Don't forget to give the big thumbs up, big like. If you enjoyed the video, give us a big thumbs up. I'm going the wrong way. If you didn't like it, click the dislike twice. If you really enjoyed it, you can always buy me a coffee or click on the thanks button below. So for now, from Lancaster, Millennium Bridge area, I'm going to say ta-ta, and I'll catch you on the next bike ride. Thanks for coming, and I'll see you again next time. Bye bye now, ta-ta.